Okay, good morning students. Due to some technical issues, our live class was cancelled. No matter, we are going to have a recorded class. Okay, so our topic today is reactivity series of metals. Now, don't you remember that when we started the chapter, I have given you the list of metals as well as non-metals. Now, the metals were written in a particular order and you have to learn the names of the metals in that particular order only, is it? And this particular order or this series in which we write the metals is known as reactivity series of metals. Actually, there are many or n number of metals, but in our 8th class syllabus we require these, or we can say these are the top 10 metals we have to study, the 10 toppers. How we are going to decide these 10 toppers? The first one is the highly reactive one, second one little bit less, third one usse bhi kam, fourth usse kam, and so on. The reactivity decreases, or we can say the activeness decreases. Now, how to explain this reactivity? Just I'll give you a few examples of reactions. Okay? For example, we are going to react these metals with a salt solution. Suppose that salt solution will be NaCl. NaCl. This NaCl is one reacted with potassium. Secondly, it is reacted with magnesium. Now see what happens. How to explain this reaction? When the reactions are based on this reactivity series and one displaces the another from its salt solution, it is known as displacement reaction. The best example for that is two people are sitting on the first bench. Suppose two people or two students are sitting on the first bench. They have a good chemistry with each other. Another one comes who is quite a stronger one. What he does, he picks up the one of the student, throws it out and sits in its place. जो बाहर वाला आया वो तगड़ा था, इन दोनों में से उसने एक को उठाया और उसकी जगह बैठ गया. क्लियर? दूसरी सिचुएशन क्या हो सकती है कि जो बाहर वाला या लास्ट बेंच वाला आया वो इन दोनों से कम स्ट्रेंथ वाला था या उतना तगड़ा नहीं था, तो वो आया, इनमें से किसी को हिला नहीं पाया और वापस चला गया. That means no reaction takes place, is it? Such kind of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Now look here carefully. This NaCl and this is potassium. Sodium is less reactive than this potassium. So this potassium will come into the solution. हमने NaCl के water solution में potassium को डाल दिया. Now this potassium goes, throws this sodium out and takes its own place. Now it will become KCl, potassium chloride, and this Na is thrown out. When one more reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution, this kind of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Okay. At the same time, again I am taking the salt solution of NaCl, and instead of potassium, this time I have put some magnesium granules. Now what will happen? This magnesium will go and remove the sodium? No. Why? Because magnesium's position is here, sodium's position is here. So magnesium is a weaker metal as compared to sodium. कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा, and hence we will say no reaction will take place here. Is that clear? One more example I can give you. Like we have FeSO4 solution and we take two different things. Firstly, I am going to react this FeSO4 with zinc and copper. Now zinc is more stronger than iron, so it will displace iron from its salt solution and the product form will be ZnSO4 and this Fe is going to be thrown out. But at the same time, if we take some copper particles and we put in the solution of FeSO4, see the position of copper is quite below as compared to this iron. So it won't be able to displace iron. Hence we can say that no reaction is going to take place. Is that clear? So it's not only displacement reaction. Most of the chemical reactions which are taking place in chemistry are dependent on this reactivity series of metals. Is that clear, children? Okay.